Well, we got a little bit of snow this morning, and it's not enough to use the 817, so we're going to call this a backpack blower snowstorm. So we're going to see if we can fire up one of the Echoes. It's about 24 degrees out, and they haven't been started for probably 2 months, so month and a half, 2 months. We'll see what happens. So no 817 today, and no C10A going in action today. No 812 with a 38-inch blower going in action today. But maybe we'll see if one of these Echoes has some gas in it, and we'll fire one of these things up. And we'll go from there. Okay, let's see what happens. Backpack blower works pretty good on fluffy snow. Got the walk all cleaned up here. Stairs, everything. Works really good. But not enough to plow. I suppose I could hook up my power broom, but I just don't like to get the power broom full of salt and stuff like that, so I'm not hooking it up today. So anyways, maybe we'll get some real snow one of these days and we can make some more fun videos instead of backpack blower and crap. So it turns out that I had the Echo on-off switch in the off position when I was trying to start it, and that's why it wouldn't start. So I flipped the switch to on, and off it went. So there's no markings on that thing. So I think I'm going to take a Sharpie and write on it on and off, so I don't have to find that out again. And of course, when I turned it off and put it away, one of the straps was dry rotted, and that just broke in half. So, you know, whatever. I'll look for another strap somewhere. All right, have fun.